Good afternoon, I'm the DC Beltway Gardener. It's Monday, June 12. It's time for an afternoon look in my garden, and this may be the last one. The DC Beltway Gardener is moving. I'm moving to Colorado, which means that instead of Washington, DC, it'll be the Denver, Colorado Gardener. And there's probably a Beltway. It's called 470. Anyhow, so let's take one last garden tour of where I really like to grow my sunflowers, my tomatoes, and say farewell to this wonderful piece of earth that we're able to make while you join me over time here. Everything you see growing is from volunteers. I'm doing this in reverse, you gotta bear with me. I'll have potatoes, and you can see the green potatoes coming through up. It shouldn't do that, but they are. You can still plant those again, but you can't eat them. And I've just kind of let my garden do what it wants because I've been so busy with this move. I'm gonna take measurements of my tomato trellis here so I can recreate it. And goodbye to my garlic bed. Let's go through the gate. All these plants are volunteers. I didn't plant a single one. Those are from tomato drops from the year before. And I just let the tomatoes do whatever they want this year, wherever they'll grow. Tomatillos out of the mulch, random garlic, and my crazy tomatillo beds. I only thinned a little bit. We'll see what happens to these guys. I basically did not water them, and they only got a little bit of fertilizer. And maybe the garden will have a parting gift here in the zucchini that I actually planted. And look at that. The next owners of this wonderful patch of earth will enjoy zucchini. Victory. I'll catch you on the other side. I'm headed west. Thank you for following my channel. We're just going to change a little bit, and we're going to learn how to grow in zone 5B. It's about 5,000 feet up and a lot colder. Gardening in the hail. Let's go.